Well, I know I said I wasn't drilling holes in the van, but we're drilling holes in the van. Actually, not technically. I'm enlarging holes in the van. And what I'm doing to the ceiling, the rafters going across in the ceiling, the braces, is making the holes acceptable for the Rivnuts that I talked about in a previous video. If you need to know what a Rivnut is, go check out the Rivnut video. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to install 4 of these in each one of these cross members, and I'll use that to install my stud so we can put the ceiling up. And unfortunately, these holes, for whatever reason on the ceiling, they're just a little bit too small for these Rivnuts. So a 3/8 drill bit is basically the exact size of this Rivnut. Make sure you don't kind of squirrel the drill around. I'm trying to kind of edge it in there, and it's an exact fit. So so I'm not drilling holes, I'm enlarging holes. So now I have Rivnuts installed. I have 4 of them on each cross member. I'll pull this wiring out here, and I'll mount plywood across there, screw it up into those, and that'll be my studs for the ceiling tongue and groove. So those fasteners are in and ready. Nice. Thank you, Rivnuts. So that's a short video from today. Didn't get as much done on the van today as I would have liked. Woke up this morning, went downstairs to start getting ready, got the sawhorses out, was going to start doing some woodwork in here, and realized there was a pond of water, not only a pond of water in the basement, but all over our freshly painted cedar boards, about 8 of them. And apparently our kitchen had sprung a leak and was leaking down in the basement right onto the boards my wife painted. She's unaware of that yet, and I haven't really told her, but hey, when she sees this video, she's probably going to find out. So probably going to be working into the night tonight. Until next time, this is Ken. Peace. Like the video, comment on the video, If you like the content we're putting out, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. We'll see you.